Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So you can see these two dates, 30 September, 10 June, means same in this year 2023. One question was repeated twice. Okay, difference was there only in this question statement. This was same, but only difference they have asked here. They have asked outweigh question, means advantages disadvantages question, outweigh disadvantages. And on 10th June they have asked you to what extent do you agree or disagree essay. So this essay also I have done on my channel, so you can just go through. We will read these question statement, whether they are same or different, I will tell you. Okay, first we will read this question statement, the latest one. These days many people like to watch live performances such as shows or concerts at home, okay, either on TV or on a computer instead of attending in person. Okay, so this first we will just match the statement, then we will discuss this how to do this question. Okay, so here on 10th June they were saying these days people do not go out for live performances or concerts and they prefer to enjoy watching them on computers and the laptops. To what extent? So if you just go through the statements, both are same, both are saying the same thing, that people are watching and enjoying all the shows, TV shows or sports events at home with their home comfort and not going physically to attend any comfort. So there we have to just talk about to what extent, and here we have to talk about do the advantages of this trend outweigh disadvantages. So how to deal with this question? Actually this is the major point, outweigh essay, how to write. So how to write, of course they are asking you whether this trend of watching TV, watching events at home has more advantages than disadvantages. It doesn't mean that you will write only advantages. No, you have to write disadvantages also. But only one thing you have to do, you have to just take out, just write 3 advantages and 2 disadvantages. Means you have to show some imbalance kind of thing. Means there is no balance between advantages and disadvantages, but we have to write both. I will explain you. Like weight, like it's like a weight machine. You have to show that it has 3 kg of 3 kg here and 2 kg here, means disadvantages. So this is advantages, then you will understand better. And this is disadvantages. Okay, disadvantages has less kg, 2 kg, and here it has 3 kgs, means more. Now coming to the main point, 40 minutes out of 40 minutes you will be giving, you will be given 40 minutes. After that, how you will spend your 40 minutes? Of course, as I always explain it to you, 5 minutes, first 5 minutes you will be doing planning, and last 5 minutes you will be just rereading your essay, means proofreading. When you will be rereading your essay, you will get your own mistake of spelling mistake, or some word that is not legible, means not readable, or some words, some preposition or something, comma you have just unnecessary put, or sometimes you may have forgot to put full stop. So all these things you will just note it down while last 5 minutes. Okay, now coming to these 30 minutes, means you have to write your full essay. Okay, not while doing practice also, don't take too much time for writing everything. So now what is the format of this essay? Of course, introduction means, as I always explain it to you, that 3 sentence formula will be there. Means first general statement, general sentence about the topic, and then paraphrasing of question statement, and then you will be telling what you are going to discuss in the upcoming paragraphs. Okay, so now next one is BP1, means you will be writing 3 advantages, means 3 kgs of advantages you will be bringing it here. Okay, so advantages. And 2 BP2 is 2 disadvantages, you will be writing it. Okay, and conclusion, as you know, we have to just paraphrase the things and just tell your decision what you have just written in the paragraph. Okay, now coming to planning, how to plan it. So as we know it, we have to read the question statement twice, thrice, 4 times, so that you can understand the actual meaning of the statement. It should not like that you are reading once and you are just planning it. No, read it again. These days many people like to watch live performances such as shows, concerts at home, either on TV or on computer screens instead of attending in person. Okay, now what points I will be writing it, how to generate ideas. Just when you are getting first you have to take out main topic. Main topic is watching from home, whether it has advantages or disadvantages. Means what are the advantages for this and disadvantages for this. So for advantages, definitely these are live telecast programs. High definition TV screens are also there, which we cannot enjoy in live performance because a lot of crowd is there. You can just give that example. So first important point I will be writing, time saving and cost effective method is this when people are watching it from home. And third is convenient to watch from, it is convenient from their home comfort and all. So we will discuss all 3 points. Okay, and disadvantages, what should be the disadvantages? No live so disadvantages, no live experience. In fact, when you are when you are just watching the live actual performance in the on the stage or musical hall or concerts, that we are going to miss it. And the environment, the excitement, the hustle bustle, the people are cheering up to each other countries or to the artists, and also that you are not going to get in TV programs. Okay, so all programs will look like the same kind of thing. And of course sometimes there may be chance to meet the personality or a famous personality, and it means you are going to lose a chance to meet celebrity if you are not attending the live program. So these disadvantages we can explain it. So I will show you my introduction. So how to write introduction. First, as I told you, main topic is watching everything from home. So main topic is how to entertainment through watching TV at home. So what I have written, the popularity of entertainment on a portable devices. Now here you can give examples such as TV screens and computer screens has been increasing by leaps and bounds. So this is my general sentence, and if you cannot write this sentence, then leave it. Okay, and other things you can write like TV program or importance of TV screen show and computer screens, you can write it. Now next important thing is about, first, like as I told you, 3 sentence formula. First is general statement or background statement for the topic. Second is paraphrasing. So how I have done paraphrasing, no need to just focus on any other things, only just do paraphrasings, use synonyms for the words they have used. These days what I have written, in this day and age, many people, I have written the majority of individuals prefer to watch. Here I have written like to, prefer to, watch live performance. So what I have written, the majority of individuals prefer to entertain themselves through live telecasts or televisions or laptops or on laptop and mobile screens rather than moving physically to enjoy the live performance at stadium. Okay, so I will show you the question statement again. See this. These days, in this day and age, I have written the majority of individuals prefer to, like to entertain themselves. Now I have changed the word. So you can still write watch live programs on TV programs on TVs, and like so many things you can write it. Okay, so just note it down how I am doing it, through live telecast on televisions or laptop and mobile screens rather than moving physically. So this is green one is paraphrasing of question statement. You can see this question statement. Okay, now look at this full question, and this green one is paraphrasing. Look at this. Now coming to next, what I am going to discuss. So this development has both pros and cons. So in my opinion, the advantages of this modern trend with the comfort of home without saying So without spending a penny, outweigh the minor disadvantages of not visiting and attending live shows personally. A comma is there, not full stop, which will be explained in forthcoming paragraph. See, I have combined both the lines. So in my opinion, the advantages of this modern trend with the comfort of home without spending a penny outweigh the minor disadvantages. So I have shown my decision also that it has more advantages than disadvantages, okay, which will be explained in forthcoming paragraphs. This is my introduction. See this, I will show you again. This is the question statement, see this, sorry, and this is my journal statement, and then green one is paraphrasing, and this blue one is this what I am going to write in the coming paragraph. Now coming to next body paragraph 1. Now these are my points. So see this how I have written it. So I will just talk about time saving and cost effective first. So see this, to commence with the meritorious aspect, the most prominent one is that from here to here you can copy it, there is no harm. So there is no harm in these templates or these words, so you can get easily 6.5. Only bands will not give you 6.5. The points, the explanation relating to the topic statement, that will give you more points. This is only cohesion and coherence kind of points. Here this will give you more point. Is that it has proved to be cost effective technique for every music and sports lover, okay. So this is the announcement of my point. To explain it more, while sitting and watching from home comfort level, it not only can save, so this sentence structure also important to write in your essay. It not only can save time as everyone is busy with their professional life, but also can be helpful in saving money from costly tickets and hotel booking amounts, okay. For the programs, this is with the same with this, from here it is line is starting from while and it is finishing it this sentence. Now next, in fact they have to pay minor monthly subscriptions for TV and internet connections. What's more, means next point, here you can use another point apart from it. Fans can watch 2 or 3 live events in a single day on the TV screens, which is not possible if a person plans to visit the venue. See this. Now example I will be giving. Now my example, for instance, Sony Sports Channel telecast. So you can, if you are putting S here, then telecast S will not come. If you are putting here channel only, then telecast S will come. Different sports event from different locations and many other platforms. It is not, it is show live musical concerts from other countries also, okay. So you can name these platforms, many apps and all. So therefore it is more convenient to sit at home and enjoy a variety of concerts relating to their choices. So I will show you full body paragraph. So see this, I have started my full body paragraph from here, and first explain it more, means first announcement of my first advantage, and it's like explain it more, it's explanation, and then the main, it's explanation and another point. For that I have given this example. See this. Now coming to disadvantages. So how I have started, despite the above advantages. So this is also ready-made line and good line, you can use it. So this sentence structure is also important. Despite the above advantages, there are some negligible demerits also. Particularly the live environment at the actual performance stage or concert halls, which will be having good amount of excitement with the other audiences present at the hall. Okay, so first thing I have just described, you will miss the environment, and next, second, moreover the anxiety after buying concert tickets and final day programs, which cannot be imagined while sitting and enjoying on the digital world, okay. Second point, this would be lifelong experience which is uncomparable for the music lover. See, this line you can use it everywhere, wherever it fits in the essay. This would be lifelong experience which is uncomparable for the, so here you can put the topic. Lastly, one can miss the chance to meet the celebrity and his actual performance. on computer screens it looks like a fake person. As a consequence, every event will look like the same event. Okay, so I will show you my points, how I have explained. No live experience, missing the environment, losing a chance to meet celebrity. All 3 points I have explained it. See these 3 points I have just brainstormed in planning. So how I have used it in paragraph. See this. First, this is ready-made line, and then particularly live environment. Okay, live experience I am talking about. And then second point, missing the environment and all. So missing the excitement. So experience, first point, missing the excitement after buying tickets. And then this is common line, you can write it. Lastly, one can miss the chance to meet the celebrity. So this is also I have explained. See this full, this thing. This is my full second body paragraph, disadvantages from here to here. See this. Now coming to conclusion, I have written 2 conclusions. For this question statement, see this question, I have written first conclusion is this. See this, because here they are asking advantages outweigh disadvantages. To conclude, so this is optional. If you want to start your conclusion with this, to reach my inference, this also to conclude, or you can combine with to conclude, to reach my inference. For reaching my inference, then you can change if you are using this also. Otherwise, this is optional. To conclude, you can start, or to reach my inference, a new trend to watch every live shows and events, every live show and event on the virtual platforms like TV channels and online apps has been gaining popularity over the physical. Over means over attending physical, over the physical presence in the programs. According to my opinion, the benefits of this modern progress in the society has outweighed its disadvantages. This is common line, you can use it anywhere. Whatever the question, this question also, this and advantages, disadvantages also, you can just use these lines. Okay, simple. I have just paraphrased the thing, and I have announced the decision that it has more advantages. Second conclusion is, for this same question, second conclusion, you can see this. To conclude, although the demerits of not attending actual performance will give. So although sentence structure I am using it, and announcing the disadvantages also of not attending any actual performances will give a miss out of meeting a special personality along with the excitement. Then comma is there. I personally believe in sitting at home for any live telecast without any tension of costly tickets and taking off from the work. So this also conclusion, second conclusion.